Hello everyone. So in this moment, I will tell you how to make a Twitter account. Well, Twitter is a social media platform which allows the user to read and send messages based with text. So, what's made it different from other social media platform is its based method to interact with people in their platform. So, without further ado, let's just start it. The first thing that you have to do is download the Twitter app. To get this app, you can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. It depends on the software that you are using, whether it's Android or iOS. And for the second step is open the Twitter app. After you open it, it will tell you to fill 3 columns, which you have to fill with your name, email or phone number, and your date of birth. In this video, I choose to fill the second column with my email. There is no problem if you want to fill the second column with your phone number. After you fill the second column with your email, you have to fill the third column with your date of birth. After that, Twitter will ask your permission to track your location for a better user experience. And then, you just have to press the register or daftar icon to continue the register process. After you registered your account, Twitter will send you a verification code to your email to make sure that your email is correct. Immediately after you get the code, you have to insert the code into the page. After verifying your account, Twitter will ask your phone number to be linked with your account so you can connect with your contact in Twitter. After that, Twitter will also send you a verification code into your phone number so they can make sure that it's your phone number. Next step is you have to make your password to secure your account. After you make your password, you have to choose a photo as your profile picture in Twitter. After choosing your profile picture, you're going to need to write your bio to describe yourself in your Twitter page. After that, you just have to make your username for your Twitter account. After that, Twitter will ask you if you want to synchronize your contact with your Twitter account. And then Twitter will ask you what languages you are using. And then they will also ask you what kind of thing that you want to see on your Twitter account homepage. Finally, you can use your Twitter account to tweet what you're thinking about or even discuss with people in Twitter.